Okay, now let's continue with our lampshades. So what I thought, still not sure about this one, but I think what I'm going to go with is this here. And I got this all from Hobby Lobby, except I can't remember who it was that had this wrapped, a gift for me for Christmas. And I loved the paper, so I kept it. And I'm going to try to use this. It's a little bit more light than this cardstock or even this, but I'm going to see if it works. Because then you can even use wrapping paper. So that would be really cool. So let's go ahead. Now I always have to remember, so when it's put together, so when I do that, yeah, so this is okay this way. But let's do it this way. So let's see. Now you could use pinking shears if you wanted. That's totally up to you. But when we're real curious to see how this is going to fare. I've used the glue gun, and I'm also going to use the glue stick. And I'm getting it right as close to the edge as I can. I mean, look how fast these are. Like I said, you can use pinking shears if you want. That'd be another way to do this. This is a heavier piece of cardstock. Let's do this. And there's another